Hi friends, let's check the job vacancies in the IIT Bombay, that is Mumbai. Job title is Executive Officer at Dean IR Office. Application last date of the filling the application is 24 September 2020. One post is vacant. IIT Bombay recruitment. This is temporary post. Now we will see the essential qualification is and experience is any graduate can apply for this post with the minimum 55% of the marks or equivalent grade and 6 years relevant experience in the computerized administration, out of which 3 years should be PLV or 1 year should be PL8 or equivalent. Job profile is candidate will be responsible for the entire process of the academic MOUs, interaction with the government agencies. We will see the required experiences or skill. Overall command in the written communication in the English. Desirable. Having knowledge of the educational and the research institutions in India and abroad. Pay details is E1 57,000 to that is 57,000 to 79,800. Additional payment that is allowance is rupees 7,000 for out of campus allowance, and health allowance will be up to 10,000 for a family of including self, spouse and 2 children. Age is 40 years. Let's see, the post is permanent post. Housing and other benefits. Incomplete application rejected. All details should be furnished online and no changes shall be entertained later after filling the application. The date of closing the application, please see above. Fill the vacancies arising. The number of positions is thus open to change. The institute reserve the right. IIT Bombay for at least 3 years, that is 220 days or more per year. Age limit, that is age relaxation will be as per institute norms. Original certificate should be produced at the time of selection process. Applicant is required to upload the certificates in the support of the minimum experience, etc., duly certified by the concerned authority. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for selection process. Age relaxation for reserved category is applicable for only post. Decision of the institute in all matters relating to eligibility. Screening test, written interview will be final and binding on the candidates. No correspondence will be entertained regarding conduct and result of the written on skill test and the reasons for not being called. These are all the instructions they have given for us. Canvassing will be led to disqualification if any is there. For query related to submission of online applications, Sarita Panchal at iitb.ac.in. You please contact if you are having any doubts. See all the email address and send to them properly. The last date of application is 24th September 2020. Please subscribe to this channel for the more updates. Candidates processing the requisite application and the experience may apply online at iit.ac.in EN Careers. I will give the link of this. You can apply from there. Please subscribe this channel for the more updates and the ICAI official announcements. Thank you, friends.